FC250. A naked stream machine from Yamaha comes with 249cc air-cooled and fuel-injected engine producing 20.69 PS at 8000 rpm and 20 Nm at 6000 rpm. It comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox and claims a mileage figure of 43 km per litre from the engine. It is even the first kind to use the LED headlights, and it is priced at 1.25 lakhs ex-showroom and 1.42 lakhs on-road at Kerala. For bookings, if you are from Trivandrum, contact on this number and they will surely clear your doubts. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and remember, there is always more to come.